Everyone, myself Akansha.
And I, Harshita, from class 8 Spark 1 from Suraj School Rewari, are here for a topic on microorganisms.
Do you know what are microorganisms? There are a lot of organisms that we can see our surroundings, including both plants and animals, but we can see them by naked eyes. There is a large amount of organisms that we can't see by naked eyes. These type of organisms are called microorganisms.
In other order, the microscopic single cell organism which we can't see by our eyes are called microorganisms or microbes.
Antony van Leeuwenhoek was the first person to discover the microorganisms.
They can survive, they can found in ponds, rivers, lakes, airs, and even in our body.
After the microscope was invented, we can see that there are lot of microorganisms in our surrounding. Actually, they make up nearly 0.5% of the weight of our earth.
Some of them can survive in a volcanic eruption.
They became inactive when such extreme climate is there, but they became again active when the favorable conditions are available. Thank you and have a nice day.